Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin, pattern and password. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin, pattern or password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end. At the end of this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the method what I am going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Okay, before revealing this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data in your phone may be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this method. As you see here, my friend, my phone charged 17%, so I will have to use this unlocking method when I plug my phone with the charger. Okay, so if your phone's battery less than 30%, then you will have to use this method with the help of plug your phone with the charger. Okay, so one of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or old videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. If your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you, my friend. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Okay, watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning this method and mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now, as you know by the thumbnail, this method is known as a offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone should be on offline mode. Okay, so for this you can see here, my friend, my phone is on Wi-Fi network. You can see here my phone's Wi-Fi network has been activated. So firstly, I will have to switch off my Wi-Fi network or any type of telecommunication network. Whatever is showing in your phone should be closed. So for this you will have to activate your phone's airplane mode. You can see here there is an option of airplane mode. Just a minute. Now you can see there is an option of airplane mode. So firstly you will have to click on airplane mode or flight mode. To activate your airplane mode, all the network will be closed. Okay, so now you can see my Wi-Fi network has been closed now, and all the telecommunication network should be closed before using this method. So my first method has been completed. Now the second method is that all the running application before your phone was locked should be closed. Generally it is not possible when your phone is locked, and by this you will have to use some secret codes. These type of secret code updated by the service center after 2 or 3 days. So presently the secret code what I'm going to give you, you will have to feed this secret code in a dialing pad like this. You can see there is an option of an emergency call option. So simply you will have to click on emergency call option, and when you will click on emergency call option, you will have to open your dialing pad like this. Now you will have to feed the secret code in this page. Okay, and today's secret code is star as 888, then star, then 999, then star 00, then hash. After dialing this number in your call log, you will have to call on this number. And when you will call on this number, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button, and again you will have to do this process 3 times continuously. After doing this process, all the running application will be closed. Okay, now your phone is ready to unlock with the offline unlocking method. Now I am going to give you a secret code to reach to the engineers mode, or it's also known as master unlocking mode, and in the language of service center. Okay, so this secret code, to reach the engineers mode, you will have to clear the previous secret code number which were used for the closing the running application. Now you will have to feed in this call log engineers mode secret code. Okay, so this secret code is star hash 899, then hash. When you will click on hash, you will get a such type of page. You can see here there are lots of options from top to bottom. You can see here, but there is an option of a software version. You can see this option at the 5th position here, software version. So simply you will have to click on this option, software version, and you will get a new page like this. And there are also lots of options from top to bottom, you can see here. But there is an option of a model number. You can see model number is a RMX3471. So you don't have to go with this option, it is your phone's model number. So simply you will have to ignore this option. Now you can see there is another option at the second number, that is Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 12, Android version 11. So don't worry about that. If your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times rapidly. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this option 13 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now my first process of unlocking method has been done. Now simply you will have to, after this you will have to go with the previous button. When you will click on previous button, you will reach to the previous page like this. Now you can see there is another option at the above of software version. You can see here there is an option of a manual test. So simply you will have to click on this manual test option. When you will click on manual test option, you will get a such type of page. There are 3 options on this page, but you don't have to go with any option because all these option has the specific function. But in this video I am going to give you only unlocking method for your locked phone. Okay, so simply you will have to slide your phone right side until you reach to the option other. Okay, now you can see at the end of this page there is an option of other. There are also a 5 type of option you can see here. First option is screen backlight test, and the second option is read write important lock test. Third option is key status, and the fourth option is mainboard version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version. Both have the same function but the different name. So don't worry about this. You will have to simply click on this mainboard version or database version 7 times continuously like this. I am going to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After clicking on this option 7 times, you will have to stay for here 7 seconds. 5, 6 and 7. Now 7 seconds has been completed. Now you can see there is an option of a read write important lock test at the second number. So simply you will have to go with this option. And this is a very important option, so be careful and for the every step, because if you are skipping any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again. So if you are watching this video to unlock your phone, so be careful and don't skip any step. Okay, so I will go with this option, read write important lock test. When I clicked on this option, there is an option ask to confirm this. Okay, but I don't have to confirm this with the OK button. I will have to confirm this with the cancel button. And again the second time I will have to again confirm this with the cancel option, and at the third time I will have to do the same. Okay, but at the fourth time when I clicked on this, then it will again ask to confirm the option, but at the fourth time I will have to confirm this option with the OK prompt. Okay, now your all the forgotten PIN, pattern and password are on reconstruction mode. It means your all the lost forgotten password has been deleted and now your phone is ready to feed a new block and password. So at the last I'm going to give you very important step, and it's most important, so be careful for the final step. Now at the final step you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach till the device debugging page. You can see there is an option of a device debugging page. Okay, now you will have to you can see here there are also lots of options from top to bottom. The first option is check small board match main board. The second option is fingerprint test. Third option is keypad test. Fourth option is vibration test. But you can see there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration. So simply you will have to click on this option. When you will click on this option, you will get a 3 type of option on your phone's display. It may be possible your phone will show here 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry about this. Now you can check here all the options are showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start these all the operations until you get a single test pass message. You will have to continue clicking on these options. Okay, so now you can see I'm going to click on these all 3 options. The first option has been started and failed. The second option has been also started and failed. The third option is the same. But the third option you can see here, there is a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything on this phone. Okay. Now simply you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So what will you do for this? So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. So simply you will have to go with the home button and you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. If your phone is unlocked with this secret code and with this trick, then do the like this video for these type of functions, okay? And if your phone could not unlock by this secret code, then make a comment in my comment box. Further I will help you why your phone could not unlock, okay? So now I'm going to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. Now you can see when I clicked on home button, my phone has been completely unlocked and all the data and all the application which were in my phone before my phone was locked as it is as in my phone. It means this trick really works. It's now recently updated service center trick, okay? And if this video helped you to unlock your phone, then like this video and do the subscribe the channel for the further these type of technical issues. Thank you very much. See you in the next video with the next step.